Camping is one of the best ways to escape the noise of everyday life and reconnect with nature. But let's be honest, a good camping trip starts with the right tent. The last thing you want is waking up soaked after a rainstorm or crammed into a tiny, uncomfortable shelter. That's why today, we're going through the top 10 best camping tents for every adventure in 2025. Whether you're backpacking in the mountains, camping with family at the lake, or preparing for unpredictable weather, this list has something for you. Let's dive in. Number 1. Coleman Sundome Camping Tent with Rainfly. The Coleman Sundome is one of the most trusted tents in the outdoor world. If you've ever browsed camping gear, chances are you've seen this one on top of the charts. It's designed with Coleman's WeatherTech system. That means welded corners, inverted seams, and a durable rainfly to keep water out, even in heavy downpours. Customers constantly praise its reliability in tough weather. One camper even mentioned testing it in strong winds over 17 miles per hour, and it didn't lose shape or snap a single pole. Inside, you get enough space for 2 people plus gear, and the ventilation system helps keep the air fresh during hot summer nights. Setup is beginner-friendly and usually takes less than 15 minutes. For anyone looking for a tent that combines affordability, durability, and comfort, this is a no-brainer. Number 2. Camel Crown Dome Camping Tent. Next on the list is the Camel Crown Dome Tent, a fantastic option for campers who value toughness and airflow. It's made with a polyester outer layer, an Oxford cloth base, and fiberglass poles, a combination that ensures stability against rain and wind. What's really cool about this tent is its double-layered design with mosquito-proof mesh panels. This gives you plenty of fresh air while keeping annoying bugs out. This tent isn't just for camping. People use it for hiking, fishing trips, and even backyard campouts with the kids. One buyer mentioned their dog loved hanging out inside, making it a fun and versatile option for families. Plus, it comes with a carrying bag, making transport easy. Number 3. Forsat Camping Tent. The Forsat tent is built for adventurers who want to travel light, but still enjoy comfort. Weighing just 5.6 pounds, this tent is a backpacker's dream. Despite its lightweight frame, it's surprisingly spacious and can fit 2 campers comfortably. It comes with PU 3000 5000 waterproof protection and sealed seams, meaning you'll stay dry even in a downpour. The aluminum poles and included stakes keep it secure in windy conditions. One of its highlights is the setup speed, just 3 minutes, even if you're alone. It also comes with 2 large doors, vestibules for gear storage, and ceiling vents to reduce condensation. Perfect for anyone who doesn't want to compromise between portability and protection. Number 4. 2-person lightweight camping tent. At number 4, we have a budget-friendly, but highly functional tent designed for quick adventures. This 2-person lightweight tent weighs under 5 pounds, making it great for casual campers who don't want to lug around heavy gear. Inside, it's roomy enough for 2 adults or a full-sized air mattress, and you'll appreciate the removable rainfly and mesh skylight. On clear nights, you can stargaze right from inside your tent, an experience campers love about this model. It also comes with interior gear pockets to keep essentials organized and even includes an electrical access port, which is perfect for campsites that offer power hookups. Quick setup, affordable price, and thoughtful details make this one ideal for beginners and weekend campers. Number 5. Kloss Nature Polaris Lightweight Backpacking Tent. The Kloss Nature Polaris is made with backpackers and serious campers in mind. At just 5 pounds, it's ultralight but still spacious with over 7 feet of length. 2 vestibules provide plenty of storage for backpacks and muddy boots, keeping the interior clean and organized. Built with PU 5000 waterproof coating and taped seams, it's strong enough for heavy rain and even light snow. The mesh walls ensure constant airflow, preventing that stuffy, humid feeling inside. And with 2 doors, you won't have to crawl over your camping partner to get out. A unique bonus is that it comes with a small emergency repair kit for the poles, something you rarely see in this price range. That little feature could save your entire trip if you're days away from the nearest gear shop. Number 6. Amazon Basics Camping Tent. Amazon's own line has surprised campers with reliable, affordable gear, and their camping tent is no exception. Available in different sizes, from 4-person to 8-person, this tent is perfect for families or groups who need more space without breaking the bank. It comes with a removable rainfly, welded seams, and even a cool air port for extra ventilation on hot nights. The shock-corded poles make setup a breeze. Most people finish in under 6 minutes. Inside, you'll find mesh storage pockets to keep your essentials off the ground and plenty of room to stretch out. Reviewers often say this tent is perfect for casual family trips or backyard overnights, especially for kids who are just starting to love camping. Number 7. Bacina 2/4 Person Camping Tent. Number 7 is the Bacina Camping Tent, a fantastic balance between durability, portability, and price. It's designed with polyester taffeta fabric, sturdy aluminum poles, and a PU 2000 waterproof rating, making it reliable for 3-season use. It's large enough for 2 adults, but still lightweight at under 6 pounds, so carrying it around on hikes or fishing trips is easy. The 2 doors with mesh panels help keep air flowing while stopping insects from sneaking inside. Setup takes around 10 minutes, and the tent packs neatly into a compact carrying bag. Many campers love it for car trips and outdoor adventures where they don't want to sacrifice comfort for mobility. Number 8. Kazoo Outdoor Camping Tent. The Kazoo tent has become a favorite among small families and couples thanks to its quick setup and roomy interior. It's designed for 2 to 3 people and has 2 large zipper doors for easy access. With a waterproof rating above 3,000 millimeters and ripstop polyester fabric, it's built to handle rough outdoor conditions. Fiberglass poles keep it lightweight, and dual windows with ceiling vents make sure condensation doesn't ruin your night. What makes this tent versatile is its adaptability. It works just as well for weekend trips as it does for beach camping or music festivals. If you're looking for a tent that balances comfort, durability, and ease of use, this is an excellent option. Number 9. 3 to 4 Season Backpacking Tent. If you're looking for a tent that can handle all weather, this 3 to 4 season option deserves a spot in your gear. It's lightweight at just over 5 pounds, but incredibly strong, with aluminum poles and a waterproof coating of PU 3000. Unlike most budget tents, this one includes a snow skirt, which makes it perfect for light winter camping. That means you can use it year-round, from summer hikes to snowy forest trips. 2 vestibules give you extra gear storage, and dual doors make entry convenient. The clip pole design makes setup quick and hassle-free. This tent is ideal for campers who don't want to worry about the season and just need something reliable for all conditions. Number 10. Vela Camping Tent for 2-person. Closing out our list is the Vela tent. It's advertised as a 4-person dome tent, but most campers find it ideal for 2 to 3 people with gear. It sets up in under 5 minutes, has a PU 2000 waterproof coating, and includes a double-layered door that improves ventilation and keeps moisture out. This tent is compact, lightweight, and one of the most budget-friendly options here. Families love using it for scout trips, beginners love its simplicity, and even seasoned campers say it makes a reliable backup tent. If you're after something affordable and easy to use, the Vela tent is a great pick. So there you have it, the top 10 best camping tents for 2025. Whether you're trekking through mountains, enjoying a weekend at the lake, or camping with family, the right tent makes all the difference. Which of these tents caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss more honest gear reviews and outdoor tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy camping!